Okay, we are going to the wedding. So it's it's in a mountain somewhere. We never been there. So it's our friend, and he has a wedding today. So the road is really bad, and that's why Laura is recording at the moment. But yeah. Okay, so later a little bit more about that.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. Was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. Said I do in the middle of then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. When I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. Now I wake up every morning next to her. I gotta pinch myself to prove that she's my girl. There's no place I'd rather be here in this world. Cause I have no doubt, and I know she is the one. I guess it really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. Said I do in the middle of then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, my feelings come to life again. My feelings come to life. I didn't care, I just saw her standing near, made my feelings come to life again. She's my Mrs. Right, my one and only one. 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 I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings off. What else could I do in the middle of then it all came back when I thought that everything was lost. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. And I thought I didn't care, I just saw her standing here, made my feelings come to life again. On a cold November night, when I met my Mrs. Right, made my feelings come to life again. Saw her standing near, and my feelings come to life again. She's my Mrs. Right. Mrs. Right.
The white dots in the sea, that's the fisherman boats with the sails. Our motorbike died, so we're walking. Oh, no. So the weddings is always really loud here, so it took a time to a little bit walk up, but yeah, so we're going in. Hi Sasa! Welcome! That's for my vlog. Ah, that's for you. Thank you. Welcome. Congrats. So that you take a small plate, Laura. Terima kasih. I will take ini. at the moment. And we are super happy to be here, Sasa.
And we are happy for you are coming also.
Thank you very much for your invitation.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hi, Bo. Hey, hey.
She's gone out of my life.
So the karaoke goes on now.
Into my arms, I'm so alone. I'm begging you, I'm down on my knees.
You're the star.
Forgive me, when you say
That's incredible.
terima kasih, Karangasem, terima kasih Indonesia ya. Terima kasih. Saya Bali semua ya.
I'm yelling all the time now, but it's really loud here. He's sitting next to the speakers and singing really loud. And it's normal. So now we are going to the feeding station to get some food a bit. So it's in a different place. So it's up there, it's only drinking and singing. And then down there, then you can eat.
Time to have a food now.
Terima kasih.
Yeah, sama-sama.
And that's how it's normally organized. So you come down here, then you eat, and then you go back, drink and sing again. So it's Balinese classic. It's ikan. Ini ikan. Ayam. So that's chicken. Then there is some what is this, satay? I don't know. Chop soy. And then there is also some ayam. And then you just take as much rice you want. Just imagine how much food you need if there is like, as a minimum, it's like 300-400 guests at one wedding. It's as a minimum, sometimes it's even more. Hello? Today is a really good day for weddings, and weddings happening everywhere. This is only one wedding, so if you go down the hill, then there is another wedding. And just imagine the guys from the village, they're going from the wedding to the wedding, and then they fell asleep in some place, complete in coma, just because drinking a lot of this tuak and arak. And then they wake up, they go to the next place, eat, drink again, and that's happening. I don't know how many days usually it happens, but it's like 5 days in a row, you are in complete coma. Cool, right? like back home, we just going to the one wedding, a little bit go to the official part, and then you a little bit dance and a little bit eat, and that's done. And then you go home. While here it's like 5, 6, and can be even 7 days. From wedding to wedding and completely drunk.
Yeah, because we need to go downhill.
Yeah, exactly.
But it's just mixed like half-half.
Okay. It's getting dark. A lot of people actually now coming. So everything is in action. That's the couple. Sasa, we wish you a really long and happy life together. And let's meet after some 50 years again. After some 50 years anniversary.
With a lot of babies.
Okay. See you.
Oh yeah.
The people dancing here. That's how the Balinese wedding looks like.
I've been running around in circles for so long. I never really understood what I did wrong. Was trying hard to find a place where I belong. I lived an empty life, but had to carry on. I guess I really was giving up on love, and I tried to block those feelings.